Okay, good morning children. Today we will discuss some grammar exercises, some grammar portions in page number 66. Okay, so we will deal with the topic gender. You know already what's the gender? What's the gender? You know everything in this world is differentiated or categorized on the basis of male or female. Okay, so that is gender. In English grammar it is known as gender. Okay children. So there are four kinds of gender. There are four different kinds of gender. So I'll teach you which are they. Okay, I'll write here a sentence. I am a boy. Here the word boy denotes, male. Okay, so here the word boy denotes male. So therefore we can say this is masculine gender. What is it? This is masculine gender. So masculine gender denotes male. Masculine gender denotes male. Clear? Okay, next one. I'll write another sentence. I am a girl. I am a girl. So here the word girl denotes female. This is a female gender word. The word girl denotes female. It's therefore we said to be this is feminine gender. This is feminine gender. This is feminine gender because it belongs to, the word girl belongs to female gender. Okay, denotes female gender. So we can say this is feminine gender. Okay, so clear? First one, masculine gender. Second one, feminine gender. Okay, I'll write some other words, children. Child, baby, teacher, friend, enemy, person, etc. See, can you identify this child? Sometimes it may be boy or a girl, no? We are not sure whether it is a boy or girl. It may be a girl or a boy. Baby, it's also a boy or a girl. Okay, so these type of words comes under common gender. These words comes under common gender. It is either boy or girl. It is either male or female. Okay, and some non-living things are there now. For example, box, book, table, school. So all these non-living things comes under neuter gender. All these non-living things comes under neuter gender. So clear? Four kinds of gender. First one, masculine gender. Second one, feminine gender. Third one, common gender. And last one, neuter gender. Neuter gender, neither male nor female. This is it did not belong to male or female. It is neither male nor female. So these are four different kinds of gender. Clear all of you? So which are they? First one, masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. So masculine gender denotes male, feminine gender denotes female, common gender, it is either boy or girl. It is either male or female. And last one, neuter gender. That means all non-living things. Okay, it is neither male nor female. Cleared? Okay. Now we will do some exercises. Page number 66. Exercise A. Page number 66. Exercise A. So the first one, give the gender of the nouns in color. Write M for masculine, F for feminine, C for common, and N for neuter gender. So one is done for you. There are 20 boys in our class. Boys, it denotes male. So we can say it is masculine. And second one, class, neither male nor female. So we can say it is neuter gender. Second question, the prince rode on a mare. Prince and mare. Prince, you know, this denotes male. So we can say it is masculine gender. So write there M, prince, M, and mare. What does a mare means? It is a female horse. Okay, female horse, mare. Mare, it's a female horse. So it denotes female, so we can say it is feminine gender. So write yes. Yes. Third sentence, the princess played with her toys. Princess, princess, princess denotes female. So we can say it is feminine gender. And next is toys, T-O-Y-S, toys. Toys is a non-living thing. So we can say it is neuter gender. Okay. Question number 4. The mother loved the child. Mother, you know, it is female. So we can say it is feminine gender. And child, it is either boy or girl. So we can write this is common gender. C for common gender. And last question, the teacher loves his pupils. Teacher is also a common noun. Teacher, common. Pupil, also common noun. So cleared exercise A. Exercise A. Write in your text now. Okay, right. Exercise A. These are the answers. And next, exercise B. Exercise B. Choose the correct word from the bracket and underline it. This is my dash nephew or niece. See, look at the next sentence. He or she is called Sita. So, you know, Sita is a girl. So, we can say this is my niece. Underline the word niece. N-I-E-C-E. Niece. Niece. And he or she is called Sita. What's the answer here? She. She. Second question. His uncle or aunt, it is not auntie, I taught you, it is aunt, is a widow. His or her husband was a great scholar. So, his aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt, so her. Her. Question number 3. The boy has just come home. Ask him or her if he or she wants his or her dinner. So here talking about the boy, so ask him. Second one, wants. Ask him if he wants his dinner. Okay, the boy has just come home. Ask him if he wants his dinner. Question number 4. Her husband or wife. What's the answer here? Husband. Her husband treated her, H-E-R, treated her nicely. The king or queen lost her bag of gold. Her. So the answer is queen. 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 Clear? Did you write in your text? Okay. So next exercise C. Underline the common gender and circle the neuter gender in each list. So now it is, you can do it as homework. It's very easy, no? So the first question I'll read. Choice, table, line, cousin, king, pen. First one, choice. It's a non-living thing, so it belongs to neuter gender. So you have to circle. Table is also neuter, so circle. Next, which word? Common gender. Cousin. Cousin is a common gender. Underline. And last one, pen. Pen is also neuter gender. So circle it. So next questions you can do. Okay, cleared all of you gender? Okay, so let's discuss the next topic. Let's discuss the next topic, page number 67. What's the next one? Verb. You know what is a verb? Verb? Verb is an action word. No, in smaller classes you have learned verb is an action word. Verb is an action word. Verbs are action verbs or doing verbs. It is action words or doing verbs. Okay, words. For example, Sita is dancing. What's the action word here? Dancing is the action word. This is a verb. Okay, it denotes the action word of this noun, dancing. Then, boys are playing. What's the action word here? Playing. This is the doing. It denotes words by doing. Okay, now we will do some exercises from the text, page number 68. Page number 68. Let's find out what these people are doing. Match the actions with the pictures. Jatin is combing his hairs. What is the action word here? Combing. Combing. Draw a line to F. She is eating a banana. What's the action word here? Eating. Eating. C. Draw a line to C. Okay. Third one, Raj is playing basketball. What's the action word here? Playing. Draw a line to D. Fourth question, Rihan is swimming in the pond. Swimming is the action word B. Sam is putting on his shirt. Putting. First one A. Rama is reading her book. Reading is the doing word. Draw a line to E. Okay. Next, complete the sentences with suitable verbs. Take the help of the box. Some words are given in the box. Which are they? Speeding, singing, falling, splashing, howling, dripping, shooting, crying. First one, the wind is, what's the answer here? What's the answer here? Howling. Write the answer. Howling. H-O-W-L-I-N-G. Howling. The wind is howling. Right. Second question. The birds are dash on the tree. Answer is chirping. 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 Next. The rain is dash from the sky. Answer, falling, F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling, falling from the sky. Next, the water is dashed from the top, dripping, drip, 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 dripping, dripping. Next, the child is dashed for milk, crying. The child is crying for milk, crying. Sixth one, the choir is singing beautifully, singing, singing. Question number 7, the train is dashed out of the station. The train is speeding, speeding out of the station, speeding. These all are verbs, doing words. Okay, children are dash water on each other, splashing. Children are splashing. Last one, splashing. Did you write? Okay, write in your text now. Next is exercise C. Circle the correct verbs in the following sentences. Circle the correct verb in the following sentences. What's the first one? First question, mother and I dash for a walk every day. What's the answer here? Go or going? What's the answer? Go. G-O. That's the answer. Go. Go. Second question. We are dash orange juice just now. We are drink or drinking. What's the answer? Drinking. We are drinking. We are drinking. Next. The ship is dash. Sorry, question number 3. I am dash to my friends in the school bus. Answer, I am waving, waving, W-A-V-I-N-G, waving. Question number 4, the ship is dash on the sea. The ship is sailing on the sea, sailing. The ship is sailing on the sea. And not last one, fifth one, the dogs are angry and dash at the strangers and are barking, at the strangers. And the last question, the nurses dash a uniform. The answer is the nurses wear a uniform. The nurses wear a uniform. Did you write all the answers? Okay. Let's continue the next exercises, next lesson in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.